Hi everyone, my name's AJ. We're at the Power Lodge in Ramsey, Minnesota. Today we're talking about a couple of the new brands we carry. Unfortunately, I don't have the onwards here because we're sold out. They are on order. That's a club car make that we carry. This here is the Yamaha PTV, one of the models that we carry. Out of all Yamahas, we carry both electric and gas and new. This is an EFI, brand new, 4-year warranty on it. You see it sits a little higher because it's got PTV tires. Comes with cool fancy hubcaps, hour meter. Other than that, it's just a standard new gas golf car. Over here, as you see, you get a little bit more crazy with the lift and a rear seat. This is called the S4, Express S4 from E-Z-Go. Carbureted instead of fuel injected. You see it about the same price though. That's where E-Z-Go makes a kind of a carbureted, lifted, big tires, brush guard, the whole thing. You just put a carbureted motor in it, not as efficient as fuel injected, but gets the price point down. You can see if you stop in here and talk to one of our salesmen, you'll see how we vary in price all the way from $5,000 to maybe $10,000 in a new golf car, and you just kind of see what you want to go with, from tires, rims, lights, rear seats, all the way through. So please stop in to Power Lodge Twin Cities and we'll be able to help you out.